The origin of Lake Limboto, a story from the province of Gorontalo. The Limboto area is vast expanse of ocean. Years later, the water regated and turned into a vast forest land. Many fresh and clear springs also emerged, one of which is called the Supalu Spring. This spring is located in the middle of the forest and is a favorite place for the heavenly nymphs to bathe, especially the five sister nymphs. Like that afternoon, they were busy playing in the water. They did not realize that there was a pair of eyes peeking at their activities. The peeping Tom was Chilomoto.
Wow, they are so beautiful. I have to marry one of them, but how? I just heard one of their wings.
When the seven angels were about to go home, there was a commotion.
Where are my wings? Strange how cold they disappear even though there is no one here.
My little sister, what made you cry?
Who are you? I am Ibu Bungale. I am for heaven, but I can't go back there because my wings are gone.
My name is Jilomoto. I am also from heaven. How about you just come with me? Don't be afraid. I'll protect you.
Because she had no other choice, Ibu Bungale finally agreed to Chilomoto's invitation. As time went by, Ibu Bungale accepted Chilomoto's proposal. Not long after they got married, Chilomoto built a house on the Huntuloliopo hill. One day, Ibu Bungale received a gift from heaven.
Kanda, I got a gift from heaven.
Huh? What gift, Dinda? And where?
The gift is in Melula, a mustika as big as a dog egg. In Melula, it was placed in the Tipulala spring.
Then, let's take it.
Meanwhile, three travelers got lost until they arrived at the Trupali spring. They saw something near the spring.
What is that container? Strange, there is a container as good as this here. I wonder what's inside. Let's open it.
They then opened the container, but a miracle happened. Suddenly, a strong wind blew and made the three travelers fly far away.
Oh, why is there suddenly such a strong wind?
Oh, calm me down. Let me handle it. I'm powerful.
Then a traveler shed a spell and took a beetle life and chewed it. After that, he spat on the container.
Huh? Container? Be quiet.
Instantly, the container stopped moving and could be opened when they saw its contents. The three travelers cheered happily. Not long after, Ibu Bungale and Chilomoto came to the Tupalu spring and saw the travelers carrying the Bimelula. Ibu Bungale was furious.
Hey, that jug is mine. Don't take it anywhere.
It's good that we found it. Look, there are traces of my battle.
That's the amulet that was sent for me. Return.
Try to prove that you really are the owner.
Chilomoto intervened and made a challenge to both parties.
This is it. Whoever can be them, the spring is the owner.
Kanda, that's too difficult.
Don't worry, Dinda. I help.
Hearing the challenge, the travelers agreed. They didn't want their abilities to be undermastered. So the travelers immediately began to chant a mantra.
Hey, spring, expand, 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 expand.
But the spell did not work. noting happiness. The Tupalo spring remained the same, not showing anything. The wind did not move at all. Thus, one by one, the four travelers demonstrated their abilities. But until the fourth person, the spring remained calm and did not move.
Come on, show all your abilities. Prove that the spring and the container are yours. Or maybe you have given up and admitted that this spring is not yours.
Show us if you really are the owner.
Ibu Bunga leaned and folded his arms and pressed his hands together on his chests. Begin the almighty. Then he pointed his hands towards the spring while shouting.
Wait, the water of life is a magical spring. A spring that has blessing, widen and expand. A spring of the angels grow bigger.
Not long after that, the roar of great water was heard. Slowly the spring widened and widened. The three people looked stunned and amazed at the miracle of the eye of the earth when the water became thicker and wider like alike. The three travelers shouted and asked for forgiveness from the bungalows.
We apologize to you, Ibu Bungali. We admit that you were the owner of the container and its content.
Hearing the request, Ibu Bungali confirmed them. Ibu Bungali broke the container and the gemstone inside with a happy feeling. When Ibu Bungali and her husband prepared to return to their house for a moment, they looked into the middle of the lake which was originally a Tupalo spring. Suddenly, they saw five floating objects that looked like fruit.
Look, Kanda, it looks like an urine.
Let me get it, Dinda.
Cilumoto took the fruit and handed it to Ibu Bungali. Ibu Bungali smelled a very fragrant orange, like the smell of oranges in the land of heaven.
Kanda, pay attention. Isn't this fruit like a heavenly orange? I feel sure of that from the smell and shape of the fruit.
Maybe the tree is around here, Dinda. This is gift from the alchemist.
Sure enough, there was an orange tree that looked like a heavenly orange. Since then, the Tupalo spring that has turned into a lake was the name Pulalo Lalimuto, now pronounced Lake Limuto. The name was given because there were five oranges that resembled orange from heaven floating in the middle of the lake. Upon arriving at the house next to the Melula containing the mystical object from heaven, a beautiful baby suddenly appeared. The baby was named Tulango Lahulalu, which means moonlight. Later, Tulango Lahulalu would become the leader in Limuto.